I'll choose an in-drive driver or an Uber driver based on their image. I'll say, especially like late at night or something like that. Of course, like I'm a man and I have less to worry about. But let's say I were a woman, late at night, I would look at the image of the person to say, does this guy look like he'd kidnap me or something? Assuming I can't see the number of times he's been riding on InDrive and assuming I can't see the star rating, I'm gonna just look at the person and say, wow, this guy looks super ghetto. If I had a choice between him and the guy wearing a suit, I'd take the guy wearing a suit. He takes care of his appearance, he knows. So that's the basic idea. Your image, that's what you're selling. And as a photographer, you need to have a mentality about your own image. You need to be perceived as a luxury service